Hey geeks, Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to clear clipboard history using shortcuts. We're going to put it on the context menu, we're going to put it on the desktop, and we're just going to show you the code. And here it is right here. You can highlight, hold down the mouse, drag, right click, copy, and then press your Windows key plus X and start PowerShell. And you can do it this way as many times as you want, and that's it. There's no fanfare, done. But what we'd like to do is create a shortcut. That's kind of handy. So highlight this code right here and go to your desktop, right click, new, shortcut. Control V to paste in that code you just took from the web page. Click next and name it anything you want. I'm going to call it clear. There we go. So now that it's here, you can click that anytime you want, and you can place some of these shortcuts in other locations. Now, since most of us don't see the desktop frequently, I like to right click, pin it to start. This way I can always find it whenever I need it, just like that. Another one I like to do, let's see if I can get that to work. Right there, pin to taskbar. That way, there you go. So you can have it and have it both ways. Alright, that's pretty much it except for the context menu, which is kind of neat. So if you're in File Explorer where you're copying and pasting, we'd have to edit the registry. So we can actually get it so we can have it right here when you right click. So copy and paste this code, and let's do the Windows key plus R and do regedit, regedit, press enter or click OK. Up here, this is the search bar. Go Control V, and I'm going to follow right along here with you. It's not like I memorized it. Alright. So we'll right click on shell, do new key, and name that clear clipboard. Press enter. Now right click on your clear clipboard. That was good. Yeah. Just give you all the wrong names while we're playing with a registry. Right click on clear clipboard, select new key, and name that command. Double click on the default right here. Copy this code right here. A lot easier if I memorize it, right? So just to clarify, you've got this new key, you have this new key. Now we're going to double click on the default key, and we're going to enter that code here. Once again, copy, Control V to paste. Click OK. Let's see if it worked. Let me get to a file or a better folder here. Right there. So there's places it will show up and places it won't. There you go. So it might even work with a browser. Nope. So like I said, some applications it's going to work on, some applications it's not. But now if you change your mind, we're going to want to reverse this. So what we do know is, if you didn't back up your registry, which is something you should do, we know that we started here with a clear clipboard. Let's take a look. So here's clear clipboard. We created that and we created that. So by deleting clear clipboard, click on it. You can right click and hit delete, or just click the delete key. You click delete and it'll take the other one that we created out at the same time, and now it's gone. So it's pretty neat, easy to do. Well, I like it. It's a neat little trick for Windows, especially if you're dragging, copying and pasting, and clipboard's always short on memory. There you go. You know, some of these videos and stuff get pretty large. So I hope you liked it. I thought that was pretty neat. So there you go. How to clear your clipboard history with shortcuts. Thanks for watching, as always, and hopefully we'll see you again soon.